Hello, in this video I will show you how to configure quiz results display for learners. When setting up a quiz, you can not only adjust general settings but also control what results learners see. To do this, open the quiz and go to the Setting tab. Next, go to the pop-up settings and enable Show Quiz Results. Then you can choose one of three options for displaying results. The first one, All Selected. Learners will see only the answers they selected. Only Comments. Learners will see only the answer commented by administrators. All Correct Answers. Learners will see both their answers and the correct answers to all questions. Additionally, you can enable Show Score to Learner to allow learners to see the number of points they earned after completing the quiz. If you want to display results as a percentage, enable Show Score to the learner and Show Quiz Result as percentage. Then, upon completing the quiz, learners will see the percentage completion instead of points. This allows you to provide flexible feedback and makes quizzes more clear for learners. I hope this helps and good luck with your academy!